Hello friend, I'm Saurabh. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress in Ubuntu or AWS. To host a WordPress website, you will be require LAMP-stacks. LAMP-stacks stand for Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP. Okay. So first of all, we need to set up LAMP-stack. So that I have already shared my previous video how to install LAMP-stack. As WordPress depend on PHP and MySQL, so that's why LAMP-stacks required if you want to install WordPress. Let's start. Here, this is my LAMP-stack server. Now, I'm just go web service root directory. Sorry, yes. So yes, that is root directory. Now, I'm just go to download WordPress. Click here, then right click, copy the link, and I'm going to download duplicate. You can see my WordPress file is downloaded right now, so I'm just unzip. You can see that unzip is done. So you can see here one directory is created, and just move the file from current directory. So my WordPress file also copy in this current directory. Now I'm just go to my server public IP, copy and then paste here. Yes, this page is say that connect to database. So right now I'm go to mysql, p for user, p for password, user root, password. Yes, I'm into the mysql database, WordPress. Yes, my database created. You can see is my database name WordPress. So I exit from here. Now let's go. My database name WordPress, username root, password also same. Next submit. Yes, website title, username admin, admin, email address. Everything. Let's install. Login, admin, admin. Yes, my WordPress site is ready. So now you can change your theme city. So thank you so much so for watching my video. So now easily you can host your WordPress site. So that's all. Thank you so much.